Let's learn the letter I. Big I or capital I and small I. The letter I has two sounds. A short sound, E, as in, the ball is in the box. E as in igloo, an igloo, and E as in internet. The I also has a long sound. The long sound I says its name, I, or iPad, or I for ice cream. Now let's learn the letter T. Big T or capital T and small t or lowercase t. T makes the sound T. T as in TV, T as in telephone, and T as in 10. Now let's learn the letter P. Capital P and small p. P says the sound P. P as in pencil, P as in popcorn, and P as in pizza. Now we have the letter N. Capital N or big N and small n or lowercase n. N makes the sound N. N as in no, N as in notebook, and N as in numbers. Now we have the letter S. The letter S has a capital S, big S, and a small s like all the letters. S looks like the sound it makes. S for snake, S for spaghetti, S as in 7. S makes the sound S, spaghetti, snake, and 7. In English, a closed syllable ends in a consonant. A syllable is a part of the word or a whole word which has one vowel. Like in the words in, it, or is. When there is a closed syllable and there is a consonant, C for consonant, after the I says the short sound, E. E as in, E as in it, and E as in is. When I is not closed with a consonant, it will sound like its name, I, the long sound I. But when a consonant comes after a vowel, it will be the short sound I, like in it. Now let's learn the rules about S at the end of the word. When we have S at the end of the word, we have two rules we need to learn. The first rule is that the S at the end of the word is for plural. 1 tin, 2 tins, 3 tins, 4 tins, or however many tins you have. The S at the end of the word is for plural. The S at the end of the word is also for a present routine action, for he or she. He sits. And if this was a girl, it would be she sits. We also have the S at the end of the word when we have an apostrophe before it. Apostrophe S also has two rules. We use the apostrophe S to join two words, like this one, it, is, becomes its. The apostrophe joins the it and the is and is in the place of the I that is missing. It is, its. The other reason we have an apostrophe S at the end of the word is for possessive, like Dan's tin. This tin belongs to Dan. Apostrophe S in this case is for possessive. Dan's tin. The tin belongs to Dan.